Mayuresh joining us live on this. So, Mayuresh, you brought us the statement straight from the horse's mouth about where the Maharashtra government stands on it. But let's not forget that these are, again, extremely delicate issues when it comes to cooperation between the two states. It seems that the Maharashtra government is willing to give some credit to Karnataka for cooperation, but it's not the same thing the other way around. How has the Maharashtra government responded to that?
See, Afrida, Maharashtra government has clearly said that our own dams are 90% full, and whatever rain or excess rain happened, that happened in free catchment area, which is beyond our control. We cannot control it, and that water basically reached to Karnataka. Maharashtra government also said that we have alerted on 16th of this month only to Karnataka government and Vijapur commissioner about we are releasing the water, and the water which was released was somewhere around 44 TMC from Krishna and almost 66 TMC from Bhima river. So they said, so according to Maharashtra government, that yes, the situation was not in their control because the excess rain had happened, and that rain happened in the free catchment area where no one can control that particular water. So Maharashtra government, what they are suggesting we can say to reduce this excess water or to control this excess water, now they are suggesting that the Karnataka government should come on board and give us kind of a permission to construct the small dams in our area, so that we can, whatever the excess water is basically going to Karnataka and causing a flooding like situation, that we can able to stop with the help of these small dams. So that's a proposal which Maharashtra government is basically suggesting. As of now, there is no formal proposal which Maharashtra government has given to Karnataka government, but yes, that's the suggestion is coming from the Maharashtra government. Now it would be interesting to see when both the governments basically contact each other and whether this particular proposal gets any nod from the Karnataka or not. Because last year also we saw that similar situation happened in Karnataka and in Maharashtra also, and that time both the states had decided that they will inform each other in advance when the dams on the border will reach to one particular level and when they are about to release the water. So before that only they will inform. So there is a mechanism, but still we can see that Maharashtra government has clearly said that it happened due to the excess rain, and this particular rain happened in the free catchment area, which is not in control of there as well as in Karnataka government.
Okay, so he's totally attributing the situation to the free catchment area, and in fact says that the government is helpless in situations like this. But we'll have to see how this works out, as we know that there are two different political parties heading the governments, and that often complicates matters. Thanks for joining us, Mayuresh, with the latest on this.